Hello, my name is Vishal Sharma, and this is the presentation on the research that I conducted on the topic advancement in networking and the future trends going forward. Introduction. Numerous applications of networking are being employed to revolutionize industries in their ability to create and deliver products as well as services which perform at a much faster speed and span over a large scale. In this presentation, I will briefly discuss three such emerging fields, namely software-defined networking or SDN, Internet of Things or popularly known as IoT, and thirdly, network security. SDN. The classical architecture of the Internet has resulted in several developments over decades now. However, these developments aren't fulfilling the needs of networking that modern technologies require in order to deploy the flexible and user-customizable services and applications. A significant move towards resolving this is the introduction of the next generation architecture of networking, that is SDN, or software-defined networking. The separation of the control plane from the data plane to allow for greater flexibility and programmability in managing a network is the primary characteristic of this architecture. SDN was developed to address the increasing demand for data in the cloud computing era. It accomplishes this by separating the control and data planes and introducing the concept of hardware virtualization. With SDN, the network can be programmed, and this technology enables the creation of more agile networks. Some of the advantages of SDN are: the external controller provides programmability on control plane, allows administrators to implement changes either to a specific device or throughout the network with ease. SDN technology can complement virtualization and help tackle many challenges in network-enabled cloud and web-scale deployment. By separating the control plane from the data plane, SDN enables centralized control of network resources, which allows for more efficient and effective network management. IoT. This technology is exemplified by various interconnected products, systems, and sensors that leverage advancements in computing power, miniaturization of electronics, and network interconnectivity to provide new functionalities that were previously unattainable. One of the most significant developments in IoT networks is service-oriented network, or SON, in which a content distribution network is used to enable SON for IoT devices. In the context of IoT, it is essential to employ SDN at the endpoint level to ensure that each device meets the necessary traffic rate for satisfying quality of service, or QoS. The management of guest devices that require access to the IoT gateway is crucial. The content used not only relies on data from local areas, sensors, and actuators, but also needs data from various networks. To facilitate this process, the IoT gateway should enable data convergence and quickly gather the necessary data while avoiding the storage of outdated content. This approach should be considered while deploying an IoT gateway. Network security. With the escalation of security threats, wired and wireless networks along with internet services are becoming increasingly insecure and unreliable. As a result, security measures are crucial to meet the high demands of rapidly growing industries, and they have become a top priority. The need for security measures has also extended to areas such as defense, where ensuring secure and authenticated access to resources is a crucial aspect of information security. Data encryption. One such way to implement network security is by encrypting data which can prevent stolen information from being easily accessed, thereby reducing potential losses to some extent. Encryption technology has become quite advanced, and there are two common encryption methods used today, which is symmetric key encryption and public key encryption. Another one is digital signature, which can be utilized to confirm that a message has been sent by the intended sender or not. Additionally, when a digital signature is used to store data or a program, it can verify the integrity of that data or program. Digital certificates. When it comes to authenticating identities on the internet, digital certificates offer a more advanced solution compared to online ID cards. By using digital signatures and third-party authoritative authentication, digital certificates provide a greater level of authenticity. Conclusively, the constant development and implementation of these technologies are essential in managing the vast amounts of data, allowing for faster and more efficient services and applications with greater programmability. Thank you very much. This is the end of the presentation.